guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm so happy you found us. And if you've come back again and again, thank you. You are super appreciated too. This is Creativity and Inspiration, and I'm Lisa. How's everybody doing on this Friday? I hope you're having a great Friday. I mean, it's Friday, right? Woohoo, woohoo. Anyway, sorry. Always have to do a happy dance for Friday. Today's video is not what was planned because the lovely zipper tag video with a few more tags in there is coming on Monday. I've had a migraine the past 2 days. That's why you didn't get a bonus video on Wednesday. I just felt terrible. So I apologize, but I want you to get the best video possible. And I just did not film while I wasn't feeling well. So the tag and the challenge True Junk Journal will all be on Monday's video. I'll just do a quick flip through at the beginning of my True Junk Journal just to show you what I created, and would love to, hear about yours down in the comments on Monday, not today. But today is exciting because it kicks off our giveaway. Yay, giveaways. I love giveaways, right? If you didn't see it, I got a box, and it's a few videos back. You can go look. It's an unboxing from a friend that gave me all of her stuff. She's not making junk journals anymore, and she gave me everything she had left. Super, super blessed. But there was so much stuff in there that I decided that I wanted to share with you guys. So I am doing 4 bags, 4 different giveaways. And some of the stuff in there are those journaling cards. I did it, and they'll be this size, or there'll be a bigger size like this, and a bigger size. There'll be a mixture. You'll have the small size and the bigger size. And I did a video a few videos back, which I'll put the card above, that kind of gave you ideas for how to use them besides just journaling cards. Also, everybody will get a pack of this paper. And remember, this is stuff that I got that was given to me by somebody at Junk Journal, so some of it may be opened or used, but that's okay. But there'll be 4 packs like this. There'll be a couple of stamps, some stickers, and a pair of scissors in each giveaway. Plus, I'm going to probably throw in some lace. That's a good giveaway, y'all. I'm super excited about it. So, all you have to do to enter the giveaway on today's video is 3 things. 1, like this video. 2, subscribe to my channel, click the little bell. And 3, leave a comment down below. Giveaway, I'm excited for the giveaway, whatever, just put giveaway in it. If you are already subscribed, you have to like this video and leave me a comment down below, already subscribed, but giveaway. Something like that, okay? Super appreciate all of you, and I love it when I can do little things like this for you guys. This is fun. There's a lot of stuff in these bags. But today's video, like I said at the beginning, I didn't get finished with the zipper tag video and a couple of more tags because of my migraine. But today's video is just as good. And what we're doing is, say you want to add a little paint to something, but you don't have any acrylic paints, you don't have any watercolor paints, you don't have any oil paints. What do you do? Well, yeah, you can use a marker, you can use crayons, you can use map colors. But I'm going to show you a trick where you can use inks and get that watercolor look. That's right, inks as watercolor. And these are just inks for, like you would stamp. In fact, these aren't even archival inks. These are just plain inks. So come on in and let's get started, because this is a great one and it's not very long. So to do this, I have this picture, and the reason I have it is I'm using this. This is not glass. This is hard plastic. So this is going to be my palette. You can use glass, but if you use glass when you're pressing your inks down, be careful because it will shatter. So I'm using hard plastic, glass, or an acetate will also do as your palette. Have watercolor paper because we are using water and we don't want our paper paper to curl up or fall apart. I have 2 paintbrushes. I have my inks. Again, these were from Tuesday Morning, but you know, anywhere you can get inexpensive ink if that's what you want to do. I have blue and yellow, green and red. I have my stencil that I'm going to use with my modeling paste. I've done this before in other videos. You can look back. It's just a great way to add texture and depth to a page, to a cover, to a tag, to anything. So we're going to do this trick. And remember, if you don't have modeling paste, Dollar Tree has wall putty to patch holes. Works just as good. And I have rub-ons and 2 paintbrushes. And that's it. So let's get started. And we're going to start with our green paint. And what you do is you put your little palette, which is in this case is my picture frame. And you just press down on it. Okay? And you just press down till you have a lot of ink built up. And look at that. Okay? I've got a lot of ink. Now I'm going to get my brush, dip it in a little bit of water, kind of wet my paper, and then get it off my palette there. You can see it on the brush. And just move it back and forth. And it's really pretty. It makes something look just like watercolor. And it's ink. It's such a cool trick. You don't have to spend, you know, a lot of money. You don't even have to have paint. Just use your ink. Especially if you're a big stamper. This is great for you because it will save you money. Okay? So there's my green. Now I'm going to move to my blue just so you can see. And all I'm going to do to get my palette ready for my next color is take a plain napkin and just wipe it off. That's it. There we go. Comes off that simple. Then I'm going to come in with my blue. And I'm just rub it in. And look how pretty. These are really inked pads. I mean, I get them all over my hands every time I use them. Then I'm going to bring in another paintbrush. Get it a tad wet. Grab the blue off the top and just rub it across. Grab the blue. I'm going to get a little more ink. And then I'm going to just keep doing it until I get whatever size I wanted, you know, painted. But look at this, guys. It looks just like watercolor. How amazing. At this point, I would stop and I would come in with my stencil. And I'm going to put my deer right there. And I would come in with my modeling paste or my wall putty and put it on my stencil. Lift my stencil up. I'd have my deer. I may come in then with my rub-ons to add some texture to my background and do my rub-ons. And I would have a finished postcard, tag, page, cover, whatever I wanted, using my inks as watercolor paint. And this is how it would look. Look at that. That looks just like watercolors, but it's not. It's inks. Isn't that amazing? It's such a neat trick. Saves you money, because if you're not a big painter and you don't want to invest in any paints, but you do love to stamp, this is a great way to just add more to your repertoire using your stamps. And as you can see, I also added a little bit of my ink pen. I added a shape to my holly bush over here and to my horizon. But look at that. Isn't that amazing? I just love this trick. This is just such a fun, easy trick. And it, like I said, it just extends what you have available for you to create with without costing you any money. So guys, I hope you liked this video. I thought it was really cool and wanted to share with you. I've been doing this for years. And you know, if you travel, if you're going on vacation or you're going to families, you know, instead of packing up paints and stamps and, you know, blah, 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 you can just pack up your stamps and you have watercolor paints and stamps. It's great, great time saver, great trick. So anyway, if you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Also, remember, if you want to enter our giveaway, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and click that little bell, and comment down below giveaway and new subscriber or whatever. If you've already been subscribed, just like the video and comment down below, because I need those comments. That's how that thing goes through and picks the winners for us. So guys, thank you for being here today. On Monday, we will have the tags video with the zipper and 2 other ones. We will also do a quick flip through of our True Junk Journal. And next Wednesday, we have a bonus video for you. Super excited. Hope everybody has an amazing weekend. I'll see you on Monday. Bye. Take care.